I am going to show you the best way to escape gas station map in TCM. Firstly, you want Togo and get to lockpicks as soon as you start.
Let's go. Can I use this?
Connie is the best character for this because of her ability, and she has much higher stealth than Leland.
What do we have here?
Oh, a shortcut?
Once you get to lockpicks, make your way to a door. It doesn't matter which. When you open a door, go and get another lockpick. You can get one above ground, but it's easier to do now. Make sure to give Leatherface a love tap. Once you're upstairs, make your way to a gate located on the left side of the main house. Try not to get spotted, as it makes this much harder.
I died, so I switched to Connie to make this easier. You now want to open one gate. If the family have a cook, then you might use two. Lockpicks on this gate, so you would then need 3 total. Once you open the gate, follow the path I take. Exactly, to avoid getting spotted by a chicken. You now need to open this door, which needs a lockpick. Cook also can padlock this, so you might need 2. But not too many people know about this exit, so you should be okay. Once you open this door, you will be able to escape. Because this exit is away to the side and near a different escapement many people expect. This escape, so as long as you don't get found, you should be able to escape easily.